Hi there. Let's take a look at the My Stores functionality while redemption of the same coupon QR code across multiple stores. Let's imagine Starbucks is your customer and they have floated around a new coupon code, the same kind of discount, but give the flexibility for users to redeem it at any store. However, you need to know where that coupon was redeemed and at which store how many coupons were redeemed. So basically, you go here, add a store. So I have added one. So let's say I'm gonna add Starbucks. I'm just gonna use not very specific addresses, but let's say this is the store manager's email, but that's optional. So I'm gonna put 12345 as the password. So let's just say add. Then let's add one more store called Starbucks. Let's say Michigan, and let's say this is a Detroit store. And let's add 12345 6 as the password. All right, so I'm gonna add, and that's all I need to do here. Now I can go back to my coupon code whenever somebody takes this QR code and shows it up at a Starbucks. Okay, so let's try to create one code and scan it at multiple stores. So let's say this is my coupon. I'm gonna say Starbucks, buy one, get one. That's my offer. Get one free. Let's say I don't want to add a badge. Get free coffee. Buy one, get one. And this offer is valid until 13th. And I'm gonna enable in-store redemption. Redemption per user is 1. I'm gonna add 1. Total redemptions limit, allow 1,000 total redemption. The minimum amount is $20. And let's say save to phone. This is all optional. So I'm gonna hit next using our own domain. So let's call this as Starbucks, buy one, get one. Let's drop a logo here. Okay, so this is my coupon. I'm gonna hit next, finish, Starbucks. Okay, now let's say somebody so you distribute this QR code. So they take this QR code to two different stores, two different people. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate this using a different online tool, so it's easier to showcase the mobile kind of experience. Okay, so let's say so I download this. Okay, so once this QR code is downloaded,